Do you truly enjoy the creative process and are drawn to the idea of making decorations and gifts by hand, but just not sure where to start? Do you love bringing everyday items together to create something beautiful, both in your home and on social media? Do you love both crafting and photography, but never explored them together? Do you find styling for Instagram to be a bit less enjoyable and quite a lot more stressful? Do you miss creating work that's really meaningful to you? Do you really want to hear from somebody who is driving consistent engagement with their photos on social media? You've come to the right place, because in this class we're going to create 3 different, modern, unique, fully customizable and eco-friendly paper crafts that are going to be fantastic for home and party decorations, but also double as imaginative and unique photography props that will make your Instagram Flatlays stand out from the rest. My name is Elena Hassel and I'm a full-time photographer, a mom of 2 young girls and an Instagrammer with over 250,000 followers, and sharing my best tips and tricks for becoming a skilled in-demand photographer. Whether you're decorating for a festive holiday season, for a party or for a special event, why not add a touch of originality with handmade crafts for your home and for your gifts? Making them will help you discover your own piece of zen, a slice out of your busy life. Try these fabulous handmade home decorations and score twice with making unique and photogenic props for your seasonal Instagram Flatlays. These modern crafts won't break a bank, and you likely already have all of the materials needed at home. They're fun to make for the entire family and help you decorate your home and create memorable photos for your Instagram account to grow loyal following and attract new photography clients. The styling skills you will learn in this class are highly transferable and can be applied to different types of photography, such as food, product photography, still life, lifestyle, and even interior design. You'll go behind the scenes with me as I share my tips and tricks for creating beautiful imagery for social media. I'll give you an explanation of a full setup, including step-by-step Flatlay styling tips to create engaging content for Instagram. Are you ready to make some crafts and create that picture-perfect Instagram grid? Then come with me and let me show you how.